Alright, this is a rock tumbler I put together myself. It's all homemade with just scrap metal parts. Yep, it works good. And I looked online and I saw this hexagon shaped design, and I've heard a lot of good reviews on that design, so I wanted to stick with that particular setup. And this motor I got, it was just laying on the side, attached to something, and just pulled it off and put it on here. And I made it to where I can adjust the motor in and out like that to adjust the tension on the belt. And I made my own little heat sink, so it helps dissipate the heat. Doesn't really absorb too much heat around the motor. So, and I got a little thermostat switch on here I put on. So when the motor gets up to about 122 degrees Fahrenheit, it shuts off, and this fan always stays running. And then once it drops down the temperature, it will turn back on, and the motor starts running again. So this setup can run for about 2 weeks straight, so without damaging the motor. So yeah, all the wiring and stuff I just finished right now. Painted it. I didn't really take the time to really paint it really good, mask off any parts. I just kind of threw the paint on there just to protect it, make it look somewhat decent. And it's got rubber inside, rubber gaskets on the lid. So you could take this whole thing off and put all the rocks in there and your grit, and put it all together with these wing nuts, and it makes a good tight waterproof seal. So I got two jack shafts. This is the main jack shaft right here that runs the whole assembly, turns it, and this is your idler jack shaft right here. And you can see I put a little handle right here too, so you can pick it up. So this whole thing's all set up nice. Here we go. Let's let you hear it. Alright. It's pretty quiet too. And you can hear that fan running, always staying on. Yep, does a good job. Can't wait to put some rocks in there and start tumbling.